Hello, I'm back, and today I'll be showing you how to take the first and second derivative and what exactly it means. Okay, so say you have last week I taught you how to do derivatives. So say you have a function x squared plus 2x plus 1. So we want to find the first derivative. And the derivative actually has something to do with the graph. If you recall, the derivative is the slope of the tangent line to the graph. So using the first derivative, this is f of x. So using the first derivative, you can actually tell when the function f is increasing or decreasing. So to find the derivative f prime x, we do the power rule. So we get 2x plus 2. To find where the function is increasing or decreasing, we have to set the first derivative, which is this, equal to 0. So 2x plus 2 equals 0. You solve this, so you get negative 2. Alright, 2x equals negative 2. Divide both sides by 2. Get x equals negative 1. This point that we just solved for, x equals negative 1, is known as a critical point. And your critical points show where when the graph is increasing and when it's decreasing. Okay, so to find the intervals on which the graph is increasing or decreasing, we make a sign chart using our critical points. So you have negative infinity, which is basically an endless number. Then you have negative 1, which is our critical point, our only critical point. Then you have infinity. Okay, so if we pick any number between negative 1 and negative infinity, and whatever the sign is, that will tell you if it's increasing or decreasing. If the sign is positive, it's increasing, but if it's negative, it's decreasing. So if we plug negative 2 into our derivative here, you get 2 times negative 2, which is negative 4, plus 2, which is negative 2. That means the sign between negative infinity and negative 1 is negative. So you got negative in between here. Let's see. I like to do it like that. So that's negative. And then let's pick a point between negative 1 and infinity. And we can choose 0. So you plug in 0 here into our first derivative. You get 0 times 2, which is 0, plus 2, 2, which is positive. Therefore, we can conclude that x is increasing on the interval it's decreasing actually. Well, we can keep it as increasing. It's increasing on the interval negative 1 to infinity. And x is decreasing on the interval negative infinity to negative 1. Okay, so if we want to find where the graph concaves up and concave down, then we have to use the second derivative.